go!
What?
Isaac won! Woo! Come on, Andrew!
I just won! Mommy, too!
Alright, this time we're gonna do it regular. On your mark, get set, go!
I just went the right way, Mama!
Whoa!
I just went the right way!
Alright.
I just went the right way!
Yes. Alright. This time we're gonna go backwards. On your mark, get set, go! You're not! Oh. You getting tired? Meow.
No, I'm going to do it backwards again.
Okay.